Hamster.
Frank door. Frank door.
This one you're looking like this. You are looking fantabulous.
Oh, I'm looking good like this.
Yes.
Wow. Thank you very much.
I see the expression fantabulous. I see it in my eyes. It's in my eye, mirror. So where are we going to?
You don't need to know because the place I'm going to now, I have to be there on time so that I will not sit at the back. Because if I go late over in our back, I go see. So I want to sit at the front so that people can see me very well, so I can see everything clearly.
Look at this hamster.
Oh, don't get down, man. Don't get down.
Let them sit two of us together now. May I follow you?
But don't carry that one. Come there, Jerry. Which kind two of us? Now me, they're not for that place. Now me, they do that thing. I don't give them anything they do today. Why? I'm going. No. Okay, don't follow me.
May I follow you?
Don't, boss. I beg you.
Hamster now. May I follow you?
No, don't follow me. Don't follow me.
They go together now.
Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Hey, you can't follow me.
I will follow you.
See, I don't tell you.
Hamster.
Don't follow me.
Don't do like this now.
See me, wait now. It's we.
We win now. Now we win.
I can't say that. You can't follow me.
God, them stars killed me now. I'm going to tell my mommy. She has break my head.
Sister.
Oh God.
Sister.
No, I'm not going again.
Don't follow me now.
I don't.
I'm sorry.
See now, you're going to break my head. Now what's the meaning about this one now? What will I tell my mother?
I'm sorry.
I don't even know. Why are you even rushing? Why are you rushing?
Don't mind me. Now over Betty at the door. Today now it's birthday. Who do you have self? Na comedian. He dey do comedy. He dey sing also. He sabi do comedy. If you watch over comedy, you no go watch any other comedy.
Pay for my head, though. You pay for my head. You must pay for my own head.
Maybe that's
like I praise you. Pay for my own head. I think
I don't myself here.
you must pay for my head because I don't know what I'll tell my
Now over Betty at the go. Over Betty.
Run.